Looking for a solution to high blood sugar? Today, I'm reviewing Glucose 6, a trending health supplement that claims to help manage glucose levels. Quick note, some links in this video are affiliate links. If you buy through them, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. All opinions are my own, and this video is for informational purposes only, not medical advice. So, what exactly is Glucose 6? It's a dietary supplement designed to support healthy blood sugar. It's been getting a lot of buzz online for its unique blend of ingredients. The main goal of Glucose 6 is to support the body's ability to use glucose for energy, helping you avoid those awful energy crashes and intense cravings. Glucose 6 uses ingredients like berberine, cinnamon bark extract, and Gymnema sylvestre, which are known for supporting insulin sensitivity and overall metabolic health. According to the information available, it works by targeting your body's GLUT4 receptors. Think of these as gatekeepers that let sugar move from your blood into your cells for fuel. The formula is designed to help these receptors work more efficiently, preventing sugar from building up in your bloodstream. It's a multifaceted approach, with each ingredient playing a specific role. While I haven't used this myself, I analyzed the formula and what credible user testimonials suggest. Here's what most users seem to report. What I liked? The formula is built on a solid scientific foundation, with each ingredient tackling blood sugar from a different angle. Users often mention experiencing more stable energy levels throughout the day, without the jitters associated with caffeine. Many appreciate the focus on crushing sugar cravings, which is often a major hurdle in managing blood sugar. What could be better? This is not a magic fix. The ingredients work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. As with any supplement, it might not be the right fit for everyone, and individual results can vary. Pros: contains well-researched, natural ingredients, offers a multi-angle approach to blood sugar support, aims to provide stable energy without stimulants. Cons: may be pricey for some, can take time to see noticeable results. Not for everyone. You must consult your doctor first. This product is best for adults who are looking for a natural way to support their blood sugar management efforts. It's designed for those who experience energy crashes and sugar cravings and are seeking a supplementary tool to aid their health journey. It's not recommended for pregnant or nursing women, children, or those with pre-existing health conditions without first consulting a healthcare provider. If you want to check out Glucose 6, I've linked the best offer I can find in the description below. Remember, always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. This is especially important if you are already taking other medications. Overall, I think Glucose 6 is worth trying for those looking for a natural, multi-ingredient option to support their metabolic health. The science behind the ingredients is compelling, but it should be viewed as a supportive tool, not a cure-all. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your questions or experiences in the comments. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest deals and more info. Thanks for watching. Have you tried Glucose 6? Drop your honest feedback below. Let's help each other make smarter health choices.